This morning, the goal is to wake up before the chickens do to help Nate move the chickens.
Whenever we go out, I want to be quiet at first because I'm going to close the goats in their tiny pen so that they're not like getting into the coop with us and messing everything up.
Oh, gotcha. She's so pretty. Hi, little chicken. You can only hold them when they're sleeping. Oh, chicken number 2. All of the chickens are in now. Now we're gonna close this up and move it when it gets light. I also have chicken shit on my hand. All right, for movement today, I'm gonna hop on my Max Total 16 that Bowflex sent me, and I'm gonna try this 14-minute interval.
Once we jump on, we get going, we feel good. I want you to push it for 25. We recover for 80. We do that 8 times, we cool down for a minute, we're done. All right, 14 minutes.
Oh my god, that was 14 minutes and I am drenched in sweat. My glutes are on fire, my whole body feels worked. It kind of feels like you're doing ropes while doing elliptical. It is not an easy workout machine, but man, it burns so good. I love using this machine right before I do a workout or when I have 0 time in the day, 7 to 14 minutes, and I feel great, like my endorphins are rushing right now. So I have the Max Total 16. This one has that huge 16-inch screen with the JRNY app already integrated into it. So I'm able to even stream Netflix, Hulu, any of my favorite streaming while I do my workout if I wanted to. They have recommended workouts for me based on my fitness levels. You can go and filter through the different workouts, choose your difficulty level, how much time you have. If you don't have the machine with you can do workouts from your phone using the JRNY app. It's integrated together, which is really cool. You just choose different things based on what you feel like. So super versatile, and I'll leave this in the description box below, but you can get 1 year free of this JRNY app to check out for yourself. So I'll leave that link below. 1 year free, I mean, why not? Okay, I'm gonna go shower and then we have to go finish moving the chickens, so see you then. So all of this right by our front door is the reason why we want to relocate the chickens, because they come and hang out under our carport and poop all over it.
Tell me when I get close.
Close.
Okay.
Wait. Okay.
I'm not going anywhere.
Okay. A little bit more. Alright, a little bit more. Okay, perfect.
Got it latched in. Okay, much better.